What if you could buy an SUV and just never worry about it? No random breakdowns, no surprise repair bills, no stress every time you hear a strange noise. Just a car that starts every day and quietly does its job. In this video, we're looking at 9 SUVs that are almost perfect, known for having little to no issues, low maintenance costs, and long-term reliability. And here's the interesting part. Some of these are not the ones people usually expect. You won't see every luxury brand here. You won't see every trendy model that dominates social media. Instead, you'll see vehicles that have quietly earned their reputation through years of consistent performance. Let's get into it. But before we start, quick question. Would you rather have a flashy SUV that breaks down or a simple one that lasts 10+ years without problems? Keep that in mind as we go through this list, because that question will answer itself by the end. Let's start with number 9, the Hyundai Tucson. Now, a few years ago, Hyundai wasn't exactly known for reliability. The brand had a reputation for budget-friendly cars that came with budget-friendly problems. But things have changed, and the Tucson is proof of that transformation. The newer models feel modern, refined, and most importantly, dependable. Owners report smooth driving, minimal issues, and surprisingly low running costs. And here's what really matters. This is the kind of SUV you buy when you don't want headaches. No constant trips to the garage. No worrying about what's going to fail next. Just a comfortable, practical car that does exactly what it's supposed to do. And honestly, that's what most people actually need. The Tucson delivers reliability without the premium price tag, making it perfect for buyers who understand that a car's primary job is transportation, not status. It's the kind of vehicle that quietly earns respect through consistent performance rather than flashy marketing campaigns. Modern Tucsons come with comprehensive warranties that demonstrate the manufacturer's confidence in their improved build quality. Next up, number 8 is the Kia Sportage. Now, this one shares a lot with the Tucson, but Kia has built its own identity. And in recent years, their reliability has improved massively. The engines are well tested, the interiors feel solid, and overall ownership is very predictable. And that's the key word here, predictable. Because the worst thing about owning a car isn't just the cost, it's the uncertainty. The Sportage removes that uncertainty completely. You know what you're getting, you know it's going to work, and you know it won't suddenly drain your wallet. That's why more and more people are starting to trust it. The Sportage represents Kia's commitment to building vehicles that prioritize long-term dependability over short-term excitement. It's engineered with proven components and systems that have been tested across thousands of vehicles, ensuring that when you buy one, you're getting technology that works rather than technology that impresses. The latest generation includes advanced safety features as standard, not as expensive options, showing Kia's focus on value and practicality. And the next SUV on this list is one of the most underrated, reliable cars you can buy right now. Number 7, Subaru Forester. This is not a flashy SUV. It doesn't try to impress you with bold styling or cutting-edge infotainment. But what it does do is last. Subaru has built a reputation for durability, especially in tough conditions. Snow, rain, rough roads. The Forester handles it all with confidence. And because it's built with simplicity in mind, there are fewer things that can go wrong. Now think about that principle. A car that's designed to survive harsh conditions is naturally going to be reliable in everyday use. And that's exactly why so many owners stick with Subaru for years, often purchasing multiple Subarus throughout their lifetime. The Forester embodies the philosophy that true reliability comes from proven engineering rather than complicated systems. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system has been refined over decades, not reinvented every model year. This consistency means mechanics understand how to service it, parts remain available and affordable, and owners can expect predictable performance year after year. It's the automotive equivalent of a reliable tool, not pretty, but absolutely dependable when you need it most. Now let's talk about number 6, one of the most balanced SUVs out there, the Mazda CX-5. This is where things get interesting, because the CX-5 doesn't just give you reliability, it also gives you a premium feel that surprises most people. The interior is high quality, the driving experience is smooth, and everything feels well put together. But here's the key. Mazda focuses on simple, proven engineering rather than chasing every technological trend. They don't overload the car with unnecessary complexity. And because of that deliberate approach, there are fewer things that break, which means lower maintenance, fewer headaches, and a much smoother ownership experience. The CX-5 represents intelligent engineering. Every system serves a purpose, and nothing is included just for the sake of having features. Number 5, Honda CR-V. This car has been around for decades and has built a reputation for one simple reason. It just works. You'll find CR-Vs with high mileage still running perfectly fine, often with original engines and transmissions. Engines are reliable, parts are affordable, maintenance is straightforward, and that's what makes it such a safe choice for practical buyers. If you're someone who doesn't want to think about your car every day, the CR-V is exactly what you need. It's not about excitement or impressive acceleration. It's about peace of mind and dependable transportation. The CR-V has achieved something rare in the automotive world. It has become genuinely boring in the best possible way. Boring because it starts every time, runs smoothly every day, and requires only routine maintenance to keep operating. This reliability isn't accidental. It's the result of Honda's methodical approach to engineering, where every component is tested extensively before making it into production vehicles. When you see a CR-V with 200,000 plus miles still running strong, you're seeing the proof of this philosophy in action. Number 4, Toyota Highlander. If you need something bigger, the Toyota Highlander is a strong option that deserves serious consideration. Now, this is where Toyota really shines as a manufacturer, because their focus has always been longevity and long-term value. The Highlander is built to last, and it shows in every aspect of the vehicle. Families love it because it's spacious, comfortable, and most importantly, reliable in ways that matter for family life. And when you have a family, reliability isn't optional or negotiable. You need a car that you can trust every single day without exceptions. And that's exactly what the Highlander delivers consistently. The Highlander represents Toyota's understanding that family vehicles need to be absolutely dependable. There's no room for uncertainty when you're responsible for getting children to school, handling family emergencies, or taking long road trips. Toyota engineers the Highlander with conservative, proven technology rather than cutting-edge systems that might fail. Number 3, Mazda CX-50. This is a newer addition to the lineup, but it follows the same philosophy as the successful CX-5. Simple engineering that works, solid build quality you can feel, consistent performance that doesn't vary. And here's something important that the industry sometimes forgets. Cars that avoid unnecessary complexity tend to last longer, because there's simply less that can go wrong when systems are straightforward. The CX-50 understands that principle completely. It's built to be practical, durable, and dependable in real-world conditions. And over time, that philosophy makes a huge difference in ownership experience. The CX-50 benefits from Mazda's years of experience building reliable vehicles, incorporating lessons learned from previous models while avoiding the temptation to overcomplicate things with unnecessary technology. It represents modern automotive engineering at its best, sophisticated enough to meet current safety and efficiency standards, but simple enough to remain reliable and serviceable throughout its lifespan. This balance between modernity and simplicity is what makes it such a smart choice for buyers who want current technology without the complexity that often leads to problems down the road. Now we step into luxury territory with the number 2 Lexus NX. This is where things get really interesting because we're talking about premium vehicles. Because luxury cars are usually expensive to maintain, with parts that cost significantly more and specialized service requirements. But Lexus is fundamentally different from that stereotype. It combines premium comfort with Toyota-level reliability standards. So you get the best of both worlds working together. Smooth driving that feels refined, high-end interior materials that look and feel expensive, and very low chances of major issues arising. And that's genuinely rare in luxury automotive, because most luxury cars don't age well after warranties expire. But Lexus does something different. The NX proves that luxury and reliability aren't mutually exclusive concepts. While other luxury brands focus on impressive features that may become problematic over time, Lexus builds luxury vehicles using the same reliability principles that make Toyota so dependable. And finally, the number one SUV that's almost perfect. Number 1, Toyota RAV4. This is genuinely one of the most reliable SUVs ever made in automotive history. And that's not just marketing speak, it's proven over years of real-world data. Owners consistently report minimal issues, low maintenance costs, and long-term durability that exceeds expectations. You'll find people driving these for 10, even 15 years without major problems. And that's the key to understanding what makes an SUV truly perfect. Because a truly perfect SUV isn't the one with the most advanced features or impressive technology, it's the one that doesn't give you problems. And that's exactly what the RAV4 does, consistently and reliably. The RAV4 has achieved legendary status in the reliability world through decades of consistent, dependable performance. Toyota has refined this vehicle through multiple generations, always prioritizing long-term durability over short-term impressions. Every system in the RAV4 is designed to work reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles, using conservative engineering principles that favor proven solutions over experimental technology. This approach has created a vehicle that owners trust completely, the kind of car that becomes part of the family, reliable enough to depend on for years of daily transportation without worry or unexpected expenses. It holds its resale value better than almost any competitor. At the end of the day, the best car isn't the most exciting one or the most feature-packed one. It's the one that gives you peace of mind every time you drive it. The one that starts every day without hesitation, doesn't surprise you with repair bills, and just works smoothly. And these SUVs do exactly that. They deliver on the promise of dependable transportation. So if you're thinking about buying one, these are the genuinely smart choices to consider. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which one would you choose? I'll see you in the next one.